Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant Channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, I'll teach you how to go live on TikTok without having 1000 fans. The method is pretty easy. You have to follow each and every step very carefully. Right now you can see we have camera and template feature on our TikTok account, but we don't have live feature. So what you have to do, you have to go to your account. So you have to click on these three dots which you can see at the top right side, and then you have to scroll down, and then here you will see option report a problem, and then you have to click on video or audio, and from here you have to select other. Again you have to select other. Here you will see can't find the problem you encountered, please tap the submit button. Is your problem solved? You have to select no, and then you have to click on need more help. Now here you have to type this stuff. Hey, I could go live. In the past, but not anymore. And then you have to type my fans would love to see me go live, and then you have to just click on report. And you have to do the same and wait for 48 hours. After 48 hours, you have to come back to this video and you have to give your feedback. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.